I got a room on Airbnb, and every time somebody reach out to me, I'll be like,
Yeah.
They look like, do I want to have this person here for a month and give them my key, and they running around back and forth, and I'm not here. And so I totally get the skepticism behind the Airbnb where it's in a shared space, right?
Yeah.
But that's why the container units, the separate space, is like the answer. But containers are the answer to everything for me and you. But
but it can be.
Yeah, like hold on, let me. Do not disturb. You know my kids always call.
I
When
know.
I'm like, phone start ringing, I'll be like, yeah, you know I go live at 9:30, and they always call at that time.
That's so fun.
Yeah, I think that the learning curve for people would be information outside of anything. You gotta understand that's like people who want to get into stocks, but you don't learn the stock market first. That doesn't make sense because I want to understand what I'm getting into. So, for me, it's the shippingcontainermojo.com is the 4-volume set. That's like a beginner, low end.
I ordered that. Ooh, I loved it.
I told you it was
good. Very comprehensive. I say I like this.
And then of course the Container Life Masterclass that you have is like the 2.0. It's like everything, the whole class and the whole. So it's so much information, and it's like I think that's where people need to start when they want a foundation, an education foundation around